Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our cost-benefit analysis template. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Let's get started. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, some instructions on how you can utilize this template, some definitions for the key terms that are used in this template, and at the bottom we have a short guide on using our templates with compatible online services. The only sheet you have to work on with this template is the input data sheet. As the name implies, this is where you'll input all the data you'll be needing for the analysis. Start by putting in your company and project details here. Put a starting year if you don't plan on using years. Leave it blank and manually change the years in this row to your desired months or even days. The rest of the headers should follow. Input your expected cost performance index. For this example, let's just use 1%. Then it's just a matter of inputting your costs and your benefits. You can change the categories on the top left. This template doesn't come with placeholder values, but for this video, I just plugged in some figures using the rand between function. Input your costs per category per year, and it gives you your totals at the bottom of each chart. Do the same for the benefits at the bottom. Lastly, input your intangible benefits. Once it's all complete, move on to your summary tab and see the analysis. It gives you the totals of your costs and benefits per period and summarizes them to show you your benefit or cost given the data. At the bottom, we have your metrics such as the benefits cost ratio, return of investments, payback period, and net present value. So in this example, we can see that all our figures are pretty bad since I just placed random numbers with an ROI of -50 and a payback period showing that we will never be able to pay it back given what we earn, and our NPV being negative. To our right, we have a cost versus benefits chart which basically says the same thing. The yellow line is the total cost with the green being total benefits. And again, we can see that the gap between the two lines increases as we go along, which isn't exactly good. This template is a great tool to help you map out the finances of your projects and be able to see in just a few minutes the financial impact it would have on your organization, enabling you to make more relevant strategic decisions. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets Advanced Templates and University is the best tool out there. I'll see you guys on the next one.